Do you feel like we've lost our Kiwiness? Our kids roam freeness? Our I'm chuffed with my hedgeness? That my kid's gonna be an all blackness? Or you just can't quite reach the I've got space to host the Christmas lunchness? Well, look at what we found here. Lakeside has plenty of Kiwiness. There's heaps of fresh airness. Dad's into it. Catching the gross, slimy eelness. You'll find loads of afternoon snoozeness. Right down to the dairiness. Sure, here's a cup of sugarness. And even a bit of number 8 wireness. Ah, Lakeside, your very own piece of Kiwiness, all within reach.